pH
Salt.
calculation of pH calculation of mixture of strong acid and strong base. Generally, we know that one acid, whatever strong acid plus strong base, will get salt plus water.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
now,
I have a
yes,
doubt.
yes,
Usually, like both are strong acid, strong base.
hmm.
So the salt should be neutral, no, sir. But if there's
Yes,
a slight
neutral.
difference,
pH equal to 7.
okay, sir. That's
And
it, sir. Or
pH equal to 7. Yeah, we can see that's it, or not any difference is there.
okay, sir. Or is it like if the strong acid is more stronger than the strong base, it will be acidic.
We can see that cases also, no?
Okay, sir.
Suppose this always 7 pH or something changes, like that you can see that one.
Okay, sir.
So here I'm taking here 0.01 mHCl, and this is 100 ml. Now added here 0.001 m KOH, but 50 ml added.
Yes,
Even
sir.
I added extra 850 ml of water also. What is the resulting solution pH? Acidic or basic or neutral?
Let's see.
So base and acid both I am mixing. By adding water,
Oh,
pH doesn't affect generally. Okay,
yes, sir.
unless the dilution occurs, then only change.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can see means pH of neutral point, which is they given 7. 7 doesn't change
Okay, sir.
by adding water because that depends upon Kw depends upon temperature only.
Temperature.
That doesn't depends upon these things. So acidic or
Okay.
basic or neutral, what we are expecting this is acid and base I mix it. Nature of the
Uh,
solution.
Basic, sir.
Yes, yes. We can see that it's basic or acidic.
Zero
So
point zero 0.01 ml versus
so net H
0.005.
plus concentration and OH minus concentration you have to calculate first.
Yes, sir.
Then which is more that can decide acidic or basic character. If acid is
Yes, sir.
more means H plus is more means acidic character, and OH minus is more means basic character. So our target is you have to calculate which is excess here. So by looking also you can say because simple calculations. So I'm calculating base concentration. So how many moles this is? We're adding equivalents 0.001 into 50. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
by V total will be there. That's we can see later. What is the value we are getting here?
Hmm.
For acid also 0.
0.001 into 100 by V total.
By V total. So which is
V
more
total
value? V total
100.
means including water, acid, base, every value.
Okay,
Total
sir.
volume, na here by mixing.
Yes, sir.
So it become I think so 100 ml finally, 1000 ml
Yes, sir.
because 100 plus sorry 100 only, no 100 plus 50 plus 850. So
Yes,
total
yes.
volume you have to consider V total means. So which is more value here? Acid or base?
Uh, Sir, acid will be more, sir.
So means resulting solution pH is less than 7 or more than 7.
Less than 7.
Yes, they can mix these solutions, then they can ask questions. Which of the following solution have a pH less than 7, more than 7, like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I'm
Okay, sir.
giving here resulting solution pH calculation. Suppose H plus is more concentration resultant. So
Yes, sir.
normality into volume of acid minus normality into volume of base by Va plus Vb plus XML of water. If is there, okay.
Okay,
But
sir.
conditions apply here. N into V of acid is greater than N into V of base.
Okay, sir.
If base is greater than, then you can write next formula also.
Okay, sir.
So OH minus resulting equal to N into V of base minus N into V of acid by Va plus Vb plus XML. In this case, which is greater than n into V of base is greater than n into V of acid. In this case, you can use this formula. So n into V value, how to calculate? Already we know that one. Just already I provided n value, V value. So substitute in this case, you'll get your answer. So
Okay, sir.
which formula is suitable here? Acid is more, na? So I think the
Yes,
first
sir.
formula is more enough. So
Yes,
H
sir.
plus equal to acid gamma 0.01 into 100 minus 0.01 into 50 by 1000 because total volume already. So
Yes,
you
sir.
may can solve this is I think so how much you'll get 0.5 by 1000.
Yes, sir.
So nothing but 5 into 10 to the power minus 4.
Yeah.
So
Sir,
P,
it's 0.001, sir.
okay, I given 0.001.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can take that is both I think so 0.001 only, na?
Yes, sir.
So then how much you'll get? 0.001. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I think so 0.05.
0.05. Yes, sir.
Yes. So now I think so 5 into 10 power minus 5.
Yes, sir.
So you can get pH value is 5 minus, sorry, 5 minus log 5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You can get 5 minus log 5. So approximately 4 point something will get.
Yes, sir.
5 minus log 5. So this is your answer. I hope
Yes.
mixture of acid base also how to calculate you find out. So ultimately you
Yes.
have to take which is excess, acid excess or base is excess. You have to find first thing. Then you can
Yes,
use
sir.
suitable formula. If acid excess means this is and base excess means this is.
Yes.